Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. This is Jannatumar Maushia. I study in class 3. My school's my school's name is Shankaradi School. I'm the first. Our topic is my dream is school. I'm the first speaker of our team. I'm going to introducing you with our team. Our team's name is Curiosity. Why our team name is Curiosity? Because we're curious to learn new things. This is Abu Hasin. He is our group leader. My name is Abu Hasan. I read class 5 at Rajasthan Cantonment Public School. This is Ahmad Adil Mahadi. This is Ahmad Adil Mahadi. He will end the presentation. This is Anjali Mahadi. I am in class 4. My school name is Now I'm going to hand over my presentation to Abu Hasin. Abu Hasin, please come here and start your side.
Um, Assalamu alaikum, and thanks to Mawa for handovering the rest of the presentation to me. So let's get started. What is a dream school? A dream school is a school that we can make by our imagination, and we can add the things that are essential to a school, or we can also add the things that can make our school more ideal. A dream school is an ideal place where we can learn and grow and discover who we are. Our dream school's name is Learner's Kingdom. Why our dream school name is Learner's Kingdom? Because it is a kingdom of learners. There will be many learners learning together with funny games and in an impressive atmosphere. Next is my dream school's rooms will be so huge, and the design of these rooms will be also so nice, and the technology will be also so high, like the rooms will be so bright, there will be some fans and many other things, and the atmosphere of my dream school will be also so great, like the atmosphere will be so cozy, so collaborative, so cozy, airy and nice. Next is in my dream school, there will be highly educated and nicely trained teachers. They will teach the students with funny games and and they will make the classes more interesting. The the students doesn't get bored. If any student has any doubt, then he can easily say to the teacher, and the teacher will repeat the lesson again. Next is in my dream school there will be many learners belongs from different families. I will also make many friends. My friends will be also so supportive, helping, and so quiet. Like when I'm sick, they will help me, or when I don't get any lesson, or when I don't understand a lesson, they will help me to understand the lesson. Next is in my personal opinion, I think in the whole presentation, learning beyond the classroom is the most essential thing, because we shouldn't only learn in the classroom, we should also learn beyond the classroom. Like we are in a restaurant or park, we can talk about the restaurant or park in English, so that our English grammar and speaking will be enhanced, and we are playing some physical games, we can learn many things from that physical games, or we are playing a video game or watching a movie that can help us to learn new languages. Next is resources for success. Resources for success, like in my dream school, there will be labs such as computer lab, chemistry lab. Computer lab will help us to learn about computers and coding, and chemistry lab helps us to learn about chemical science. And there will be also sports facilities like a huge playground where students and learners can play football, basketball, volleyball, cricket, etc. And there will be many sports instruments. There will be also in my dream school there will be art spaces too, because the students they love to draw and art. They can simply go to the art spaces after the class and they can draw whatever they want. Next is a library. A library is also essential in my school because the students they want to read books or they love to read books. They can go to the library and read books. In my library, there will be different varieties of books, and the library will be so big. And the atmosphere will be also so impressive. As you can see in the picture, the library is so big, and there are different varieties of books, and many learners learning together. And now I'm going to hand over the rest of the presentation to Adila Hanaf Mahdi. Adila Hanaf Mahdi, you're requested to come here and start your presentation part.
Um, Thank you, Hassan, for giving me the floor. Now I will start my presentation parts. Our nutrition canteen. Our nutrition canteen is very important because sometimes our parents can't give lunch. They will give money and students can buy food from our canteen. They will provide a lot of nutritious food that can you see in the picture, such as vegetables, fruits, and other many any healthy fruits. They will not provide harmful food or chemical mixed things. So our next slide is a poor fund. A poor fund is the most essential for us because there are many poor students in the world, but they have no money to learn in a good school. Again, you can know that there are some poor students are very brilliant, but they are also very poor. They but no one they have no money to learn in such school. So I will make a forward in my dream school. So our next slide is a, a medical service. A medical service is the most essential things because sometimes our students can play in the playground. They will go to if suddenly if any one of our students get injured or cut anywhere, they will go to medical service and they will give treatment. There will be high educated doctors in my dreaming school, so that they can provide a good medical service. Thanks all for being with us. If you have any question, please ask us.